Hey there, digital adventurers in Saudi Arabia. Ready to unlock the world of Telegram and stay connected with friends and family? Well, we've got a surprise for you at the end of this video. Mena VPN is here, your magical key to unblocking Telegram and exploring without limits. Let's dive into how Mena VPN can help you reconnect. Here's the scoop. 1. Start by grabbing your free subscription to Mena VPN using the discount code in the description. 2. Download and install Mena VPN on your device. 3. Open the app, log in, and select a server location outside Saudi Arabia. 4. Connect to the server and open Telegram. Say hello to a world of chats, groups, and stickers on Telegram, unrestricted. But wait, there's more! Mena VPN doesn't just unblock Telegram, it's your ultimate online guardian. With lightning-fast servers and military-grade encryption, your online journey is safe and secure. So ready to unlock Telegram and explore freely? Here's the deal, use the discount code in the description to get Mena VPN for free. Stay connected, stay secure with Mena VPN.